This video provides a realistic perspective on the lives of log truck drivers on Vancouver Island, where rough roads, harsh weather, and heavy loads do not shake their determination. As the sun rises, the drivers arrive at the yard to prepare for a long day ahead. With everything ready, they get into their trucks and begin their journey. The road from the yard to the logging site is far from easy. It's filled with bumpy dirt paths, thick dust, or deep mud on rainy days. Steep inclines and sharp turns through the forest make the journey even more challenging. To drive safely on these routes, truckers must have exceptional heavy vehicle handling skills. They constantly adjust their speed, maintain a safe distance, and use the brakes carefully to prevent skidding or losing control. Along the way, drivers frequently communicate via CB radio with other truckers or logging site staff to stay updated on road conditions, weather, and work situations throughout the day. When they arrive at the logging site, the drivers wait while machinery and workers load the logs onto their trucks. Massive tree trunks are lifted onto the truck bed with precision by cranes, ensuring the weight is evenly distributed to prevent imbalance during transport. Each log is carefully and efficiently placed onto the truck. Once loading is complete, the drivers must thoroughly check the securing straps to ensure the logs remain stable during the rough journey ahead. This step is crucial. Just one small mistake could cause tens of tons of logs to fall, posing a serious danger to the driver and everyone nearby. With tens of tons of logs loaded onto the truck, the return journey to the drop-off site is even more dangerous than the trip to the logging site. The added weight increases inertia, making speed control and braking much more challenging. Only experienced drivers with exceptional skills can safely handle these massive log trucks on such difficult terrain. After hours of intense driving, the driver finally arrives at the drop-off yard or sawmill, where a crane unloads each log from the truck. This brief pause offers a moment of rest before they head back for another load. This job demands not only physical endurance, but also intense focus and quick decision-making. Every successful haul is a result of careful attention, experience, and expert driving skills. This video not only gives us a deeper understanding of a log truck driver's work, but also showcases the rugged, yet breathtaking beauty of Vancouver Island's wilderness, a must-watch for those who love heavy trucks, mountain roads, and challenging routes. Welcome to an in-depth journey into one of the world's oldest and most essential industries, the wood processing industry. Today, we'll explore every stage of this process, from the moment raw logs enter the mill to their transformation into finished products, ready for construction and consumer use. Before processing begins, each log is carefully inspected for size, quality, and moisture content. Modern mills utilize laser scanning technology and artificial intelligence to quickly assess the shape and condition of the wood, optimizing the cutting process to minimize waste. Once inspected, the logs are placed onto conveyor belts, ready to enter the initial processing stage. Before the logs are cut, the bark must be removed to prevent saw blade wear and ensure the quality of the final product. The raw logs pass through an automatic debarking machine, where high-speed spiked metal rollers strip away the outer bark without damaging the wood inside. Next, the logs go through an end trimming process. The ends of the logs often contain cracks or unwanted knots, so they are cut off to ensure the final product meets the highest quality standards. The removed bark and excess wood are not wasted. They are repurposed for pulp production, biomass pellets, or used as fuel for drying kilns. This is the most crucial stage in the wood processing workflow, where raw logs are cut into standardized wood planks. The logs are fed into either a bandsaw or a circular saw system. Bandsaws cut logs lengthwise, producing large wooden planks. Circular saws are used to further divide these planks into smaller wood pieces of various sizes. In modern sawmills, automation technology allows machines to precisely adjust cutting angles, minimizing waste. Some facilities use gang saws, which can cut multiple planks simultaneously, significantly increasing production speed. All wood chips and sawdust generated during this process are collected and repurposed for other uses, such as plywood manufacturing or paper production. After being cut, the wood still contains a high moisture content, typically between 30% and 50%. If not properly treated, it can warp or crack over time. The wooden planks are carefully stacked and placed into an industrial kiln drying system. Here, hot air continuously circulates through the wood for several days to weeks, gradually evaporating moisture. Some special types of wood undergo thermal modification, a process that enhances durability and resistance to harsh environmental conditions. Once dried, the wood is rechecked for moisture content before moving on to the next stage of processing. At this stage, the wooden planks are ready for inspection and grading based on quality standards. The wood is passed through laser scanners to detect defects such as knots, cracks, or warping. Planks that do not meet quality standards may be trimmed for adjustment or repurposed for lower-grade products like plywood. Next, the wood goes through an automatic planer, which smooths the surface. This step is essential for furniture-grade and export-quality wood, ensuring a refined, visually appealing finish. Finally, the wood is cut to standard sizes or customized according to customer order. Once processing is complete, the wood is bundled into large stacks and secured with steel or plastic straps. These bundles are then transported to warehouses, furniture factories, or exported to various countries worldwide. From a single tree in the forest, through a series of meticulous processing stages, the wood is transformed into high-quality products used in construction, furniture, and craftsmanship. The combination of modern technology and precision machinery has propelled the wood processing industry forward, optimizing resources and minimizing waste. We hope this video has given you a deeper insight into the journey of wood production inside a sawmill. Thank you for watching.